Is that bad? I think that's bad.
You need that to add that to your list of tricks.
Welcome to RV life.
Always something.
Stop. Work.
It's always. Oh my god.
Stop.
It's always
Work.
something. It's not working. Are you done yet? It's broken. Can you fix it? What are you doing?
Just stay there.
This is not a good idea.
I don't think I can fix it.
You have to fix it.
There it goes. I want to move. Okay.
You're gonna break that. I see it moving.
I
You're gonna break this.
I gotta get down.
Yeah, don't stand there. It's not a solid piece.
I'll fix it.
A man and a woman left their home to switch things up and go on the road. They didn't know where they would go, but it's gotta be better than staying home. They switched it up. They switched it up.
What are you saying? Want to get it on record? You want to get it on record? What you're saying?
Yeah, I'm saying you're forgetful is what's happening.
So apparently, our roof, wonderful thing, fan, is out. Maybe it's time we talk about like upgrades and stuff. Maybe we should do that for a video.
Why don't you just fix the fan so it'll work? That's a video.
Hey, this is an easy fix. You pull off a couple screws, you pull off the caulking, you put the new fan in, and we'll bada bing, bada boom, it's over.
Great, so maybe you could have a video that's like not an hour long. Bada bing, bada boom. It's a short video.
I don't know how long this video is going to be, but we're going to find out. So, we got a bunch of wires. All those wires.
Why you gotta talk like that?
I got to go to the roof. There's not much room here. Feel the insulation. So today in RV life, we're replacing a fan. Our fan finally went out in the kitchen area, and Sheila was like, it's time to get a new one. It's making some awful sounds. And so here we are doing a normal RV life, day in the life type video, I guess. It's not always glamorous in RV life. I've never done this before, so I kind of have to see what I'm getting myself into. It can't be too hard. It's just pulling off some screws and then put some new caulking and sealant down, screwing it all back together. Oh, that's the story I'm telling myself.
Don't jinx yourself.
Don't what?
Don't jinx yourself.
You know, I don't need any comments from the peanut gallery. This is hard work. We don't need that. This tool belt's probably seen, I don't know, 15, 20 years of work. Still working. That's a long ways up here. We're in Florida. The actual ocean's right there. They're doing a lot of construction there, a lot of construction over there. It's kind of noisy. We're gonna do our best to replace this. I'm gonna see how it goes. First things first, it's not real hard. You just gotta pry all this old sealant off, it takes some time, and you have to be careful because you don't want to rip your TPO membrane. because then that could cause leaks, and you're going to be fixing that too. Just being a little slow in the process is probably a good thing. So a while back, I got some tools that were hard plastic to use to remove trim inside vehicles. This works great for doing stuff because being a hard plastic, you can still, you know, maneuver around pulling off the old sealant without making any damaging problems areas that you might have to repair later. Here's another thing. In between the two, there's usually a, I don't know, like a two-sided tape for sealant. So again, having something that's plastic that isn't as puncture, gonna cause like a rip or a tear, and you just gotta go around slowly work it loose and pull it up. What you doing?
What are you doing? I'm working hard. What are you doing?
I'm working hard.
Are ya?
Well, sometimes.
You keep this ship rolling, and I'll keep us, you know, keep the crew connected.
Is that what you're doing?
That's you keep this all together.
I don't know about that, but I'm trying. I left some lead wire so that I can patch back in pretty easy. I'm assuming that I'll do black to orange, white to white. It's my assumption as of now. Here's the thing is I'm gonna use, there's an inside ring that goes up. I'm gonna reuse the one that I have because it was already cut, because they come really thick because I don't know how thick your roof is. And this is at an angle, so you can see how it's thicker here. Down here it comes to a slant. So the old ring that's in there, the trim ring, I'm gonna reuse it because it's white, matches, and go from there. I still gotta clean up. This was not in the sun, so it wasn't coming off as easy. So I'll clean all this off and then we'll go get the new fan to drop it in. Well, just like that, it's in. I forgot to record. Basically, it's just hooking up two wires after everything is taken off, and then putting down the butyl tape and then sealing it all up. So I'm just in the process of screwing everything back down. I wish I could say it was harder. It's a pretty easy install out of all the things in RV life. It takes longer to pull off all the old adhesive and sealant than it does anything else. So don't be intimidated by this project. It's a pretty easy one. Like that, voila. Is it voila or voila? That's the question. I don't know. It's done. I gotta go put the trim piece on the inside and then put the batteries in the remote, and now we have, I guess, airflow again.